Tomorrow, billions of hearts across the globe will beat together once again as the FIFA World Cup returns, bringing with it passion, tears, pride, dreams, and the magic for the beautiful game. The FIFA World Cup is not just a tournament, it is emotion, heartbreak, hope, and glory rolled into one global celebration. Streets fall silent, homes turn into stadiums, strangers become friends, and entire nations live every second of the game together. From Goa to Mumbai, to the beaches of Brazil, the streets of Lisbon, and the deserts of the Middle East, fans will paint their faces, wave their flags, and believe once more that miracles are possible. For many, this World Cup carries deeper emotions. It could be the final grand stage of legends who defined an era of football. Cristiano Ronaldo, the warrior who inspired generations with unmatched discipline, passion, and an endless hunger to win. Every World Cup appearance from Ronaldo has been more than goals. It has been about belief. Millions still dream of seeing him lift football's ultimate trophy. Then there is Lionel Messi, the magician whose left foot turned football into poetry. Messi gave fans moments that felt impossible, weaving through defenders like art in motion. Even those who support rival nations stop and watch in awe when he touches the ball. And football waits again for the smile and samba of Neymar, the fearless entertainer carrying the legacy of Brazilian flair. For fans, Neymar represents joy, creativity, and the spirit that football should always be played with freedom and love. But the World Cup is never about only superstars. It is also about that unknown teenager dreaming of glory, the underdog nation chasing history, the last-minute winner that sends an entire country into tears, and the fans who save money for years just to watch one match from the stands. Football remains the greatest sport because it belongs to everyone. No other game can unite the world like this. Rich or poor, young or old, football speaks one language. One goal scored in the dying minutes can make millions scream together despite borders, politics, and differences. Tomorrow, the lights will shine brighter. National anthems will echo louder. Children will wear jerseys of their heroes. Cafes and homes will stay awake late into the night. And somewhere, another little boy or girl will fall in love with football for the first time. Because the FIFA World Cup is finally here again. Now let's see what some of the fans have to say about this beautiful game.
Ronaldo win the World Cup! Ronaldo, you will win the World Cup! Come on, Portugal! FIFA World Cup! Cheer for Portugal!
Hi guys, I'm Megan Fernandez
And I'm Gavin Fernandez.
and I'm supporting Argentina this World Cup.
And I'm supporting Portugal. Many people ask me why I'm supporting Portugal, and it's mainly because of the connection of Goa to Portugal, and mostly it's also because of Ronaldo and Bruno Fernandes and Diego Dalot. Many Manchester United and Portugal combinations, and so that is the main reason I support Portugal.
So we'll be watching the World Cup at J1 to 9 or at home, but most of the World Cup games are happening at a very unconventional time where we won't be able to watch them. But for Argentina, they are playing one group game at 10:30, which is a really great time. But the other games are happening at 6 to 7 a.m., which will be a little tougher to watch.
Many people ask me why would this World Cup be different from the others, and I think it's because this time we are having the games at 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock in the morning, which will make us like watch the game before work, before college, before school, and then the excitement will be different this time.
Hello friends, I'm super duper excited for this FIFA World Cup 2026, which is going to take place in a few hours. And yes, that excitement is, can't say. First of all, this is the first time ever in history that 48 teams will be participating, wherein 3 countries are hosting the FIFA World Cup, that is Mexico, United States and Canada, and with 104 matches that are going to take place. Yes, We all are excited for this super duper event. And my favorite team that I'm supporting is France. So you can see that. The best part of this team is I like the way they play, their skills, especially the defense team, and not forgetting Mbappe, one of my favorite player. Yes, let's see what happens. So Forza, France, the Blues. Fingers crossed.
Hello everyone, this is Morris, and as you can see, I'm supporting Argentina, our world champions. They've made us proud to every victory, and no matter what the result is this time, I hope we can win another World Cup. That will be crazy for Messi. But yes, all the way Argentina. Let's go to the finals, let's win it. Lionel Messi all the way. Vamos Argentina.
Hey, it's me, Kendrick. I'm very happy that the World Cup is starting. Being a sports lover and a player, one catchy thing about this World Cup, FIFA World Cup, is that many are retiring. You will see them in another few hours, and later they will be bidding adios to us. So it's good. The good thing about the FIFA World Cup is that it's a competition between the older generation who's supposed to be retiring and the young generation. So let's see who wins that battle first. And on the second is my favorite team to be watched is Portugal. But I do have another two pickups of teams, France and Brazil. They do have a super powerhouse team packed with talent from the forwards till the back line, keeping the goalkeeper included too. So viva Portugal and best luck to Brazil and France. Thank you.